Welcome to the ViewPlus video on what's new in Tiger Software Suite 8. Starting off, one of the first things you may notice is we have updated the Word and Excel Tiger Ribbon menu. Opening and editing profile settings is easier than ever before with the redesigned Tiger menu in Word and Excel. Start by clicking on the Tiger menu. In the past, to edit profile settings, there was an arrow in the lower right-hand corner of the profile settings menu. We have moved that to an open button in the profile settings. Some of these settings may look similar to previous versions of TSS. However, we have added several new features. The most notable is under the default Braille type. By selecting Grade 2, and also under the default language, selecting English Unified, there is an all-new customizable UEB contraction table with TSS 8. You can edit your contraction tables. You can select or deselect complete categories or specific contractions within a category. Once you have selected all of the contractions you would like to use, click OK. This will prompt you to save the UEB table. I am naming this one All Contractions Modified. Clicking Save will save this profile. You may decide that you would like to edit or delete a profile that you have already created. I will select the All Contractions Modified and click Delete. This has removed the contraction table. Now I can click Save on the profile. You will also find a very similar Tiger menu in Excel. To access the Tiger menu, click Tiger. You can click on Open Profile Settings similar to in Word. Notice you do not see a customized contraction table until you select English Unified and Grade 2. Once both of these are selected, your contraction tables from Word will also be shown here. One of the other great features to TSS 8 is importing PDFs into Tiger Designer. In this example, I'm going to create a PDF from scratch using Microsoft Word. After this example, I will show you how to import PDFs that can be found online into Tiger Designer. For this example, I'm going to create a basic PDF using a couple of shapes and an icon. I'm going to start off by making a circle and also a triangle, followed by a banana icon. Once all the shapes and icons are organized the way you would like, or in general the PDF that you're creating, you can go ahead and create your PDF by clicking on the File menu and saving it as a PDF. This will prompt you to save your Word document if you have not already done so. After the Word document is saved, it will convert it into a PDF. Now that you have created your PDF, we will need to open it using Tiger Designer. Once you have Tiger Designer open, you can click on File and Open. When opening the document, you may need to select PDF file types to see your file. During the import of the PDF to Tiger Designer, it will ask you if you would like to print and emboss or emboss only in either Tiger Plus or Tiger Grade. You will also be able to select how Tiger Designer imports image simplification. This is the result of our simple Word-created PDF with both ink and tactile graphics. Now, if you would like to import a PDF that has already been created, From somewhere such as the APH Tactographic Image Library, there are plenty to choose from. For this example, we are going to use monuments, landmarks, and buildings. You can scroll through the different options and pick one you like. I like using the Eiffel Tower. Now that the document has been downloaded, we use the same process as before with our Word PDF. Go ahead and open Tiger Designer. Select File, Open, and find the document you just downloaded. It may be in your Downloads folder. Once we've selected the Eiffel Tower, we can select the document settings we would like to use, as well as the image simplification settings we would like to use. Then click OK. This is the Eiffel Tower in both ink and tactographics. While the Eiffel Tower is one of our favorite images to make a tactographic out of, it is a little bit plain in that it only has one dot height. I am downloading the Mona Lisa, which will show off the multi-dot height within Tiger Designer. Again, opening Tiger Designer, clicking on File, Open, and selecting the Mona Lisa will import both the ink and tactographic layers. Thank you for watching What's New in Tiger Software Suite 8. Make sure to check back for more how-to videos with your ViewPlus embosser.